In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a reel in Facebook Messenger. We will walk through the process slowly so you can follow along on your own phone without any guessing or confusion. First, open the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone. When you tap the Facebook icon, the app will load and you should land on your main Facebook screen, usually the Home tab. You will see your news feed with posts, stories along the top, and navigation icons for home, reels, notifications, and menu near the bottom or top. If the app asks you to log in, enter your usual details and wait until your feed appears because you need to be fully signed in before you can send a reel. Now, find the reel you want to send. You can do this in a few ways inside Facebook. On many phones, there is a Reels button near the center of the bottom bar. Tapping that takes you into a feed made only of short videos. You can also find Reels while you scroll your home feed, where they appear as vertical videos with a small Reels label. When you see a reel you like, stop scrolling for a moment so it fills most of your screen with controls on the right side and text or the creator name near the bottom. That way you know Facebook is focused on that specific reel. Once you have the right reel on screen, tap the share button. On most versions of Facebook, this looks like an arrow icon, often on the right side of the reel, near the like and comment buttons. When you tap it, a sharing panel will slide up from the bottom of the screen. You should see different options for sending or posting the reel, such as sharing to your own feed, copying the link, or sending it privately. From that sharing panel, tap Messenger. The Messenger icon usually looks like a small chat bubble with a lightning bolt inside. When you tap Messenger, Facebook switches you into the sending view just for Messenger. You will see your recent contacts and group chats listed, often with profile pictures and names, and a search bar at the top in case the person you want is not immediately visible. At this point, the reel is already attached in the background. You are just choosing who receives it. Next up, select the person or group. You can scroll through the list and tap a name or group chat, or use the search bar at the top to type the name of a friend or group. When you tap the contact, you should see a small check mark appear next to their name, and sometimes a preview or mention of the reel at the bottom of the screen. If you tap more than one contact, the reel will send to all of them separately, so choose carefully if you only want one chat to get it. Finally, tap Send. The Send button is usually at the bottom of the screen, often bright blue so it stands out. When you tap it, the panel will close and a quick confirmation text may appear, or Messenger may briefly open the chat, showing the reel thumbnail inside the conversation. That means the reel has been delivered and the person or group can now watch it directly from their Messenger app. You have just learned how to open Facebook, pick any reel, and send it straight to someone in Facebook Messenger. If this helped you share reels more easily, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Facebook tips.